Today's Friday, June 5th. This is the 1975-76 Cadillac and Chevrolet Caprice windshield wiper motor system. This is the delay variant, fully restored, heavily detailed unit. And the power door lock is for my friend Warren in Alabama. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test on the power door lock under power. Very powerful snap. Okay, this is Eldorado, Georgia in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Friday, June 5th. This is Eldorado, Georgia in Florida. Thank you very kindly.